Di ba mas siniship pag nagiging
Kinakal,
mag-jowa?
oo, kinakal. Pressure ba sa'yo
I
yun?
think sa industry naman po natin, it's actually great kasi we're evolving. I mean, marami ding nagpa-partner na lang as leading man, leading lady, and yung pag jugjowa, I feeling ko for me, it's far from my goals right now and her din kasi parang importante kasi focus muna sa work kasi pag nahalo yun baka mawala yung priorities. So
Pero
basta right now.
Michael, may fear ka ba? Kasi di ba uso ngayon yung mga, wag naman sana kayo, yung mga love teams na nagbe-break up, mga ganyan, Katniel, at yung iba pa. May fear, although starting pa lang kayo ni Jillian, may fear ka na ba agad na sana wag kaming magaya sa iba?
Well, I want to live in the present naman po and I think what I can do to siguro hope for the best is just take care of her, take care of what we have and make sure iwas na lang sa issue and masaya lang palagi and I think that's what's important lang na we enjoy the company and the times we're on set together.
And aware ka ba, Michael, na ang daming Sparkle and GMA artists ang medyo naiinggit sa'yo kasi ikaw ang leading man ni prinsesa yan ng GMA, next in line ng queen yan. Ano, aware ka na mayroong gusto kang bugbugin? Charot.
Grabe yung bugbugin na. Hindi man po maiiwasan kahit anong industriya na may nainggit or ano, I mean, it's hard. This showbiz thing, it's difficult talaga po. But again, with the advice I was given before, I just want to be kind. Kahit galit sila sa akin, why share the negativity when you can spread positivity and working with the veterans, that's actually one of the advices I listen to the most is how I deal with co-actors, with co-people in the industry. And lagi si Tita Connie, Miss Joey Albert, even yung mga si Jill.
Bakit Joey Albert?
Si Joey Albert po, close family friend namin in Canada. So she spoke
The
to me
very good singer.
Bago ako umuwi, sabi niya sa akin, the people you know on the way up are the same people you know on the way down. And that hit me kasi sabi ko, grabe no, yung showbiz talaga, small world lang. And we have to be nice to another. Proud man yan, castmates, staff, and crew. So, ayun po, kung meron mang nainggit or na ganun, sana wala. But if there are, I just focus on myself, stay in my lane, and I don't wanna get involved.
Eh di ba noon sa Abot Kamay, aside from you, si Jildan tsaka si Jeff ang siniship, di ba? Ayun,
Si Jeff, mas may Ilonggo pa.
oo,
Kung tutuusin.
pero ngayon andyan sa kanto, inaabangan ka. Close kayo ni
Yeah,
Jeff?
best friend ko yan si Jeff. Lahat po ng si Rahil, si Jeff, si Vince, si Sean, nakasama ko sa Love
Sinong
Fest.
Hill?
Rahil.
Rahil, oo.
oo.
So sa dami nyo sa Abot, ikaw ang sinuwerte.
Wow.
Napapag-usapan yung magbabarkada.
Well, actually, pa kami nakikita masyado. Pero lahat naman kami, nung nag-abot kami together, enjoy kami. Yung sana ko kay Jeff, sinabi ko nga kay Jill na ang saya nung ang dami niyang leading partners, leading men, tapos lahat kami nagrarambulan na dun. So, masaya lang. I mean, alam naman namin we have our own goals, our own paths, and we're just focused on working hard. And I can see it through them na si Jeff, hardworking din yan, and I'm proud of him, and all of the other boys, and I'm proud of them.
Ang ganda ng 2025 mo, nang pasok ng bagong taon sa iyo, Michael, anong masasabi mo doon?
It's an important reminder to really be thankful for this. I thank the Lord every day and I'm grateful and I don't want to take it for granted kasi nga I didn't expect this po, unexpected to my Ilonggo girl, but masaya ako and for me, it's just a reminder to really give it my all kasi sayang opportunity. I mean, the network entrusted me with such a big project, partner ko pa si Jill. So sabi ko, there's no time to waste na. It's my time to really step up and do better in my craft. Lahat ng mga comments na sa mga past work ko sa Shine, binabasa ko lahat so that I can really improve. Kasi kung nabash man ako, I don't want to see it super negatively. I want to see it positively na, okay, that's where I can improve and that's what I want to apply sa Shine.
May namba sa'yo?
Meron naman
Ano yung pinakamasakit?
yung mga pinakamasakit, well, hindi ko naman inaalaw na masakta ko ng todo. But of course, hindi mo maiwasan. I mean, I'm just human.
Example, like?
About my acting. Siguro, that's something I'm very careful about. Kasi yung acting ko is, yun yung ginagawa ko, yun yung craft. So, I don't really take it in such a negative light. I just look at what I have to look at and accept. Sinabi din ni Sir Erickson sa akin, yung manager ko sa Cornerstone, he said, when you look at bashers, para hindi ka ma-stress, wag yung manababasa mo, if important talaga, it will reach you. And that really affected me kasi siguro instead of focusing on the negative stuff, minsan madadala ka eh. So ako, kung may criticism man, yes, and then positive na lang para mas magtuloy-tuloy na lang yung
Co-manage ka ng Cornerstone tsaka
Yes po, and
Sparkle.
Sparkle.
Last na lang ako
Okay.
Kasi sa Prinsesa ng City Jail, sa Allen Ansay may mga hubad-hubad na
Naku po.
eksena. Meron ka ba dito?
Nako, si Allen, proud ako sa kanya na kasama ko yun sa All Out Sundays.
Oo.
And tuwan-tuwa ako sa kanya, pero ako naman po, nag-workout ako everyday.
So meron ba
Sa show.
dito? Maghubad-hubad
Abangan nyo
ka
na
pa?
lang po.
Ay.
Excited ako doon.
Yung kay Allen, nasa trailer na eh. Naghubad siya.
Oo,
Ikaw,
sa-
posible.
Posible.